Man, which kind of country I even come from, self? Which kind of country I even come from? Which kind of thing? What did they happen? Ah, imagine a country where village vigilantes go to rescue DPO for the hands of kidnappers.
We realize this, the earlier
It
every
will
one
shock
of
you,
you
Abi. It will
realizes,
shock
the
you.
better it will be for us.
Not
That
be
Nigeria is
DPO
not.
supposed to rescue people for the hands of kidnapper. It can be say na village vigilante, local vigilante. Now they call the rescue DPO, director of police officer for the hands of kidnappers.
Chai, there is God.
It shock me, eh? The thing really shock me.
There is God.
No, this really dey happen, eh? This really dey happen.
Apostle, we hear
Where are we
this.
going? Where are we coming from? Where are we going?
Man,
Where are we coming from? Where are we going?